So now let us start with the next exercise 5.7. Okay, exercise 5.7. You skip question number 1 and 2. Okay, horizontal, vertical we have already seen in the exercise 5.6. Let us resume with question number 3. A. Subtract minus b from 12b. Okay, what the question is saying, you have to subtract minus b from where? 12b. Okay, that means your 12b will come first. Yes or no? 12b will come first, then we will subtract what? We will subtract minus b from here. Okay, so 12b, so minus, you remove this bracket, so minus into minus plus b. So how much you are getting? 12b plus 1 time b will give you 13b. Yes or no? Understood? We have to subtract from where? From 12. From 12 only you will subtract minus b. Okay, so 12b will come first, then question is saying subtract, so subtract minus b, minus b. Now you remove this bracket, so minus into minus plus b. So 12 plus 1b is your 13b. Clear? Number B, question number B. Take away. So what is the meaning of take away? Take away means what? Reduce, right? That is again minus. Okay, take out means what? Subtract. Clear? Question is making you confused. Take away means what? Subtract only. Okay. So you have to subtract minus 2x from where? From 19, right? So you write here 19x will come first. Yes or no? Now take away minus. Take away means what? Minus. What you will take away? Minus 2x. So you write in bracket minus 2x. Now solve this one. 19x, remove this bracket, so you will get minus into minus plus 2x. So 19 plus 2 how much? 21, right? 21x. So this is our solution. Simple, right? You have to understand the question. Okay? Let us go to question number 4. Question number 4. Simplify the following algebraic expressions. Number A. N minus 10 plus 9n minus 3. You have to do simplification. Simplify the following algebraic expressions. So this one also same. N with the n you write, number with the number you arrange. Okay? So you write, this is n, positive n, so positive n, plus 9n. Now you take the numbers, minus 10, minus 3. Now they are arranged. So 1 time n plus 9 time n will give you 10 times n. Correct? Minus into minus is a plus. So 10 plus 3 is your 13. 10 is bigger, it has minus sign. So minus 13. Understood? Very simple. Next, number B. Minus 2x plus 6x plus 11. Okay? Again you arrange according to the expressions. So this is already arranged. Already arranged, right? X and x are arranged together, number is alone. So plus into minus is your minus. 6 minus 2 is your 4. 6 is bigger, so it will have positive 4x plus 11. So this is the solution. Okay? Let us see number C. Minus 13k minus 4k minus 8 minus 2. So do you think you have to arrange or something? No, it's already arranged. Okay? So minus minus plus. 13 plus 4 is your 17. But 13 is bigger, right? And it has a minus sign, so it will give you minus 17k. Again, minus into minus is your plus. 8 plus 2 is your 10. 8 is a bigger minus sign, so minus 10. Yes or no? So you can keep the answer like this. Next, number D. 17a minus 6a minus 3a minus a. So here what we have to do, we have to apply Bottomless rule here. Okay, we have to apply Bottomless rule here. This is minus 6a minus 3a minus a, but 17 is here positive. Okay, and all the terms are negative. Okay, so you solve that one first. So 17a, correct? So minus into minus is your plus. 6 plus 3 is your 9. 6 is bigger, so it will give you minus 9a, again minus a. Okay, so 17a. Now minus into minus is your plus. 9 plus 1, right? 10. 9 plus 1 is your 10. 9 is bigger, so minus 10a. So 17 minus 10 will give you how much? 7, right? So the answer is 7a. Is this understood? Number E. Better try at home. In your classroom copy, you mention this one. Okay. Now let us solve number F. 6m plus 3n square minus 8n square minus 7m. Okay, let us solve this one. See, m and m right together. Positive 6m, negative 7m. N square, positive 3n square, negative 8n square. Write them together. Now you solve. Okay, so minus plus, minus into plus is your minus. 7 is bigger, so it will contain minus. Okay, so 7 minus 6 is your 1m. So in place of writing 1m, I will write only minus m. Correct? Again, n square, same. So plus into minus is your minus. 8 minus 3 is your 5. 8 minus 3 is your 5. 8 is bigger, it has a minus sign. So minus 5 n square. And so this is our solution. Done. A, B, C, D, E is your homework. F is done here. Alright. Let us go to question number 5. You can watch the videos again and again to understand the explanation. You can pause wherever you want the video, look at the solution, understand, write. You can watch anytime, any place, anywhere. Yes or no? So please study at home nicely. Let us see question number 5. Do the following as directed. Okay? Subtract this from this. So again, what we have to do? Subtraction. From where? Second equation. Okay? Let us see number 8. The question says subtract 8p plus 9k minus 17 from where? From 2p cube plus 7p minus 8q plus 15. So you have to subtract this variable from here. From here you will subtract out this one. Okay, so this will come first, this will come second, and it is a subtraction. Keep that in mind. Yep. So you write the first variable. What is the first expressions? The first expressions are 2p cube plus 7p minus 8q plus 15. Okay, and you have to subtract them, right? So what you will do, you will put a minus sign here. Okay, so minus. Yeah. So minus into plus, minus 8p. Sorry, you write in place of p here. So minus 8p. Remember, there is a subtract. That is why this is positive. When you multiply with the subtraction sign, it will become negative 8p. Again, you multiply with the minus here. So minus into plus is the minus, right? 9k. K is here. No k is here, right? So you write at last minus 9k. Again, here is a subtraction sign, so minus into minus is your plus, right? 17. So 17 is the number, it will come here. Done. Now 2pq is alone, nothing to do here, so it will come as it is. 2pq. This one we can solve. Plus into minus is a minus. 7 minus 8 is your 1. 8 is bigger, right? So you write minus sign. 1p. So I write only p. Correct? Then minus 8q. Now this one plus into plus is a plus. 17 is bigger, so plus symbol. So 17 plus 15 how much? 32. Okay? So minus 9k is the last variable. So this is our answer. Understood this? Please watch again and again so that you will understand. Okay? Now let us go to the last question, number B. Question number B. I will not write the question, you look the question yourself at your textbook. Subtract the following, this one and this one, from the sum of this one and this one. So what the question is saying? Subtract the sum of, okay, subtract the sum of what? A square minus 3a and 7. From where? From the sum, again, from the sum of 3a square and 2a minus 2. Okay, this is a bit twist. Try to understand the equation. Subtract will come later. Okay, first they are saying sum of this and this. So what is the sum of this and this? Sum means what? Addition, right? So a square minus 3a addition 7. Done. From the sum of this and this. Sum means what? Addition. So you add these two. Okay, 3a square plus 2a minus 2. Done. Now what you will do this one? You will do what? Subtraction. Okay, so you write it. Subtract this from this. Done. So from, right? So this will come first here. Okay, this will appear first. 3a square plus 2a minus 2. What do you have to do? Subtract, right? So you will put a negative sign. You will put a negative sign in the front. So this is plus. I have to do subtraction. So minus into plus, minus a square. I have to do subtraction. So minus into minus, plus 3a. I have to do subtraction, right? There is a minus, so minus into plus, minus 7. Understood now? Okay? Now you solve this one. 3 minus here, how many times a square? 1 time a square, right? So 3 minus 1 is your 2. 3 is, 3 is bigger, so positive. So 2a square, correct? Plus into plus is your plus. So 3 plus 2 is your 5. 5a. Minus into minus is your plus. 7 plus 2 is your 9. 7 is bigger, so minus 9. So this is the solution. Okay? Listen again, whatever I have explained, then you will understand it clearly. Is this clear? Now let us go to the next exercise, 5.8. Okay? 5.8. Let me do it in the next board. Okay. Let us go to the next exercise, 5.8. What does the question say? The question says, multiply the following algebraic expression. Okay, I have written some questions in the board. Let us say, multiply means what? Multiplication. So 5x cube and means multiply 3x to the power 7. Okay. Now you multiply number in the number. 5 3s are 15. Done. So x cube will get multiplied to x7. Yes or no? So what you will get? 15 x to the power, if there is multiplication. Okay. So what is the formula? A to the power m into a to the power n. The formula is a to the power m plus n. So what is happening here? We are we are adding the powers whenever the base are same. My base is x and x, they are same, and they have multiplication. What happens to the power? They get add up. What happens to the power? They get add up. We have seen this one in the classroom, correct? So the powers will get add up here. 3 plus 7. Okay? So what is our solution? 15 x to the power 10. Okay? Understood? Let us see number 2. m cube, and means what? Multiplication. The question is saying multiply, okay, into n square. So m into n, they are not same, right? They are not same, so it will be m cube n square. Simple. Correct? Number 3. 3 you will try at home. 3 you will try at home. Let us see number 4. So 9 a to the power 6 b to the power 10, and means multiplication, minus 5 a to the power 6 b to the power 8. Okay, so 9 5s are 45. We have a minus sign, keep in mind. So minus 45. Next, a to the power 6 into a to the power 6. Again, into, everything is multiplication, so I'm writing into b to the power 10 into b to the power 8. Correct? So you will get minus 45. Now, base, both the bases are same. What will happen to the power? Add up, right? So you will get a to the power 6 plus 6 into, again, both the bases are same. B, what happens to the power? Add up, 10 plus 8. Okay? So what is the answer? Minus 45. A to the power 6 plus 6 is your 12, and b to the power 10 plus 8 is your 18. And so this is the solution. Here, question number 5 is also a simple one. Number 5 you can try it on. Let us see number 6. 90 t cube into 5 t5 are 8. So you multiply 90 into 5. So 9 5s are 45, right? 4 5 0. T cube into t to the power 5 into r is not same with the t, so you write outside r cube. So you will get 450. Now what happens to the power when the two bases are same? Two bases are same, the powers will get add up. 3 plus 5. Here it's not same, so you will leave like this. So you will get 450 t to the power 8 r to the power 3. Okay, and this is the solution of number 6. Let us see number 7. Number 7, 100 x square y4 and 5 x to the power 10 y to the power 9. Okay, so 100 x square y4 into 5 x to the power 10 y to the power 9. So 100 into 5, 500 into x square into x to the power 10, x square into x to the power 10. Now y to the power 4 into y to the power 9. Okay, so what happens here? 500 into, both the bases are same, what happens to the power? Add up, 2 plus 10 into, again, both the bases are same, what happens to the power? 4 plus 9. So you will get 500 x to the power how much? 12. Y to the power how much? 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, so this is number 7. Let us try number 8. There was no electricity, so it was a bit dark. Now finally got blesses us with the electricity, so you can see clearly. Okay, let us see number 8. Question number 8. 16x cube y square and 3xy cube. Okay, so 16x cube y square, and you remove with multiplication sign 3xy cube. Okay, so 16 3s are how much? 16 1s 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48. X cube into single x, y square into y cube. Okay, so you will get 48 x to the power 1 and 3. So you will get 3 plus 1 because the bases are same, into, here also the bases are same, y to the power 2 plus 3. Okay, so you will get 48 x to the power 4 y to the power 5. This is our solution number 8. So 9 and 10, two questions are left. I'll show you one. So which one you will choose? You cannot choose anything, right? Because you are at home, I cannot hear you. So let me choose number 10. 9 is easy. Number 10. 15 z to the power 8 y to the power 3 and x square and 2y to the power 8. Okay, so we will multiply this one. 15 z to the power 8 y cube x square multiplied by 2 y to the power 8. Okay, so 15 into 2. 15 2s are 30. Now z, is there any z here? No. So you come according to the variable x, y, z, like that. Okay. So first you write x square. Now you have y into y cube, as well as you have here another y, so y to the power 8. Now you come to the last one, z to the power 8. Okay. So you will get 30 x square into y, and y is same. So what happens to the power? 3 plus 8 into z to the power 8. Clear? So now what you will get? 30x square into y to the power 8 plus 3, 11 into z to the power 8. Now you write them together. 30x square. If I remove this into, you will get y to the power 11, z to the power 8. And so this completes your chapter 5.8. Okay? So I'm giving you 3 to 4 days to complete this chapter written in your notebook. Understand the explanation. If you have any doubt, you can call in my WhatsApp number anytime. After 3 to 4 days, I will start a video session of chapter 6, simple equation. Am I clear? We have 6.1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 exercises. We will try to solve in the next video session. So that's all for today's class. Kindly complete the exercises, try to understand the explanation, write in your notebook, solve the homeworks. Thank you.